Good morning, guys. A little update on this ball and chime clock that I assembled yesterday. I set the time on it and left it overnight, and this morning I noticed it had stopped. I thought that was odd because it seemed to have plenty of power and that. But I've just realised the second hand is jamming on there. That's a bit of a design failure, isn't it? It can't go past. I'd have to shorten the second hand so it can actually carry on. Very poor. Yep, that's what's happening. It's probably just within the tolerances, flexibility of the moving parts. But if I knock a millimetre off the end of it, it'll be all right. Right, that's what I've done. I've cut a millimetre off the end of the second hand. So now it passes with no problems.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.